It's morning here mga inday. Ngayon pa talaga kami nagising dahil ngayon pa ako nagising dahil kasi Sunday dito. And then ang oras dito dahil is 7:45 na ng morning. So ngayon mga inday, nag-snow mga inday. Nag-snow na naman. Hindi pa natunaw yung last na snow. Ngayon nag-snow na naman ulit dito sa amin mga inday. Ay Ginoo ko day. Ipapakita ko sa inyo day ha. Kumapal naman yung snow. Mas makapal na yung snow day, I think. Iwan ko kung makikita nyo day. But nag-snow talaga siya day. I-on natin yung ilaw sa labas. Sandali lang para makita nyo talaga day. Tingnan nyo day. Ay hindi nyo makikita day. Basta nag-snow na naman siya uli day. Tingnan yung porch namin Ay nako, nag-snow na naman. Snow na naman uli dahil. So ngayon, inoff ko yung ilaw dahil. So ngayon mga inday, gawan ko ng pagkain si Bibi Kano, breakfast kasi gising na si Bibi Kano. And then ano muna tayo, magsaing muna ako ng rice day. Tingnan ko, i-check ko yung rice day. May rice pa kami day, enough pa to day. Papainitin ko lang, lagyan ko ng tubig. And then mamaya ko na lang papainitin day kasi nga yung kumakain talaga ng rice dito sa amin. Basta daytime is yung bunso, ay yung pangalawa kong anak day. Ay, yung siya lang talaga. So ngayon mga inday, lagyan natin ng tubig. Ang piniprepare ko na food kay Bibi Kano is sweet potato mga inday. And then isang apple, yung busis natin isang apple. And then yung anak ko day, gising na yung anak ko day, kinuha na talaga ng kuya niya day. Sobrang happy Bibi Kano day. Tingnan niyo yung smile siya. Ang laki ng smile Hi! Are you happy? Are you happy that kuya got you? Ha? Ay sus, yung bata. Yung kuya mo, gumagawa yan ng kopi anak. So ilagay ko na to sa rice cooker. Saan rice cooker? Dito sa lungagan. Rice gas din. Diba? Nag-snow na gani na sad. Ay naku. Di takalakaw ani na. Kay snow, slippery ang kuan. Slippery ang daanan. Ang puyo din ano sa balay day, hindi kami makakalabas kasi nga yung kalsada is slide yung kalsada day. So delikado yan mga inday. So plano sana namin na lumabas ngayon day ba kasi Sunday nandito yung buong pamilya ba. Pero simpleng labasan lang mga inday. Pero yun nga, mas i-priority natin yung safety ng ating pamilya. So ngayon dahil nasain ko na yun, and then ngayon is babalatan ko itong apple mga inday. Mga inday, tingnan nyo day. I think makikita nyo na dito yung snow day. Hopefully makikita nyo day. Nandito tayo sa upstairs mga inday. So tingnan nyo yung kalsada day. Wala nang kalsada day, puti na lahat, snow na. Kasi Sunday ngayon, so I don't know bakit hindi nila inalis yung snow sa kalsada. Baka Sunday walang pasok kaya ganyan. So ito yung atit namin day or bubong namin day. Wala na, ice snow na lahat yung bubong day. Kapitbahay ko nandoon. Wala na talaga day. Snow everywhere na talaga dito sa amin day. Wala na, snow na talaga lahat dito day. Come here na anak Asher, we gonna eat. Come here. Nandito yung bata day. I will close the door here. Kuya, I will close here the door kuya so that Asher cannot go out. Tama anak. Nandito yung bata natin day, naglalaro na. Pinapakain ko to day. Sige. Wala na. Nilalaro niya yung tire. Shh! Don't eat! Ay, Ginoo ko, busy ka ha. Niya, day, tinanggal niya yung mga nilalabahan ko, day. Tanawa. Kasi gusto niya makita yung mukha niya, day, sa salamin. That's enough, Asher. That's enough. You can see your face now. Karon ha. That's enough. No, that's enough. That's enough na ha. No, don't get out that one. That's enough. You can see your face now. Ang tanawa. Pagkatapos niya, na. Ay, see your face. Hi! Bata! Mama! Yung mukha na. Hi! Susunod natin. Yeah, that's right. Hoy! You're back ba, Asher? No, no, get out. No, that's... Ay, Ginoo ko na anak. No, ha. That's enough, ha. Look your face. No! Shilton! Stop. Stop. No! Shh! Ikaw ba? You can see your face in the mirror na, You can see your face in the mirror na. That's enough. Tanawa siya, Tanawa siya. Jud siya. Gusto niya talagang kunin yan. No! Ginawa na, day. Wa na. Kalo yan ni kuya. Kalo yan ni kuya. Berarti yun mo kasipat na ko. Kulit ka nga bata. Ay, shush, drama. Drama na, day. Nagtutuwa, day. Yan yung bagong drama niya ngayon, day ba? Shush, drama nga batuta. Pinapasuot ko sa kanya, day. Look, gustuhan niya, day. Look, do you like it? Huh? That is Kuya Cup. Huh? Do you like it? Ay, yung bata. Wow, cute naman ng bata na yan. Oy! Kuya, look, kuya. You shoot, kuya. You shoot, kuya. Gusto din ipakita sa kuya niya, day. You shoot, kuya, Kuji. You shoot, kuya, Kuji. Come here, we go. Kuya, Kuji, come here. Kuya, Kuji is here. Go to his room. You show your cup. Yung kalo niya. Kuya, you look me, kuya. Kuya, you look. Come here. Open. Kasi niya ngit-ngit na, day. Dilim, day. Look, Asher. Look, Asher. What have Asher is. See? You're safe of kuya now. Kuya. Also, kuya. I have bonnet. Oh, wow. You and kuya have bonnet. Oh. Yay. Sisang katawa. Sobrang saya niya, day, Sobrang saya niya, day. Now, yo.
What you doing out here, yo? Yeah. What you doing out here, yo?
Sobra. Ang laki ng smile ni Bibi Kano, day. Ay, ginako na akong anak, day. Parte jud kay kasipat, day ba? Nagustuhan niya yung bonnet. Lang. Hip hop na, rapper. You are a rapper now? Rapper. Ja. Kanta po yung appeal. Inday. So ngayon mga Inday, lalabas tayo. Dadalhin ko kayo sa labas mga Inday. Kasama si Bibi Kano at saka si Iba Pabi. Yung anak ko, day. Yung asawa ko talaga, day. Ang daming message. 40 messages na, day. Nandito yung asawa ko. Tanaw ko doon. Anong ipapakita ko sa inyo, day, ha? Anong ipinapadala, day, ha? Mga hearts. Tingnan nyo. Yung hearts. Tingnan nyo, hearts pa yan. Hearts. And then dito, kudos. Yung taas na, day. I-message na ako, day. Stop. akong tawagan day. Tatawagan ko si yung asawa ko. Nandoon lang sa ano sa kitchen day. Ay, kitchen sa living room. Tinatawagan ko day. You stop! You stop! Sumbagon ta ka?
No, yeah, I want to use Zoom back, you know.
You are being bad there, ha? You stop. I'm going down now. I'm going down.
No, I don't want to.
Bahala ka dira, ah. Di daw siya gusto mo ano dahil mo stop. Bye-bye na, eh. I'm going down now. Yung asawa ko talaga, dahil ba? Nagkuha ako ng socks niya, dahil. Badungon ka, ayaw ba? You are not stopping. Tira, dahil, oh.
And we cutters.
We kudos.
Yeah.
We just, kudos, yes?
Yeah.
Aha. Sumbagong tanak karon ha. Ang asawa ko dai ba? Ay nako. Sige na, you make ready yourself handsome.
No. Oh, you got lots of cutters on your phone.
Yeah, oh, say millions. Tingnan niyo dai oh.
And there's
Oh,
millions
tingnan.
of hearts. And
Lots of hearts dai.
hearts.
Mm.
And hearts.
Ang tumanggawa oh.
And hearts. And more hearts. Oh, there it goes. There we go. And the hearts turn into... They turn into cutters.
Kudos. Yay, yung asawa ko dai wala talaga to dai. Mag-ready lang kami mga inday.
Can't get to my feet.
Hindi daw niya maabot yung paa niya, day. Ay, tingnan niyo. Ay, shush. Hindi niyo. Ay, shush. Naglalaro sa kanyang car. You show ate your car.
Asher's broken.
Yeah, you show to them. Yeah. Yaw-yaw pa siya, nak.
Asher, let's go.
Ilagyan natin yung coat natin and then mag-t-shirt lang tayo at saka jeans. O, okay na to, day. Simple lang, di ba, mga inday? Ano tayo, yung shoes, day. Ang gamitin ko na shoes is ito, mga inday. Ilagay ko kayo dyan.
Whatever happened to my short hair?
Your short hair,
Yeah, short ones.
it's gone now. It's getting longer, your
It's
hair.
gone.
Yeah. Your hair is getting longer.
This makes you happy?
Oh, yeah.
You're
Makes me-
Filipino. You're not supposed to like long hair.
Oh, my love. Filipino is same of American, different taste. Different taste. Okay. Sana yung bag ko din. Nandito na yung bag ko. Ilak muna natin yung ating coat, mga ingay. Hoy! Yung asawa ko din. Kamay ng asawa ko.
Look, I'm squeezing your head.
Oy!
Squishing.
Ano?
Yeah, I'm squishing your head.
Stop! My love. Don't squeeze my head. Ay, Diyos ko. Hoy! What? I cannot lock. It's broken na. Okay, it's not broken. I'm the one broken.
Boy. Boy.
Yes. What are you looking?
I
Your
have my...
key? Are your phone? Okay, sorry. Yung asawa ko nagpa-sweet. Ah! Let's go na mga inday. Nak, ato namin na, friends. Yung isa kong anak dahil si Prince, ayaw daw niya sumama. So kami lang yung lalabas dahil. Ano lang good tay? Ito lang ang aming labas dahil para makalabas lang kami sa labas dahil ba? Hindi talaga itong bunggahan na labas dahil na magsha-shopping talaga. Yun ba? Parang window shopping dahil ba? Nakato namin nak. Hoy, di ka mag-abri-abri tao ha. Alaing tao ha. Nagdala ko og kuan dai ni Bibi Kano dai anang milk ni Kano Pampers. Today uk na ko bibikan no. Hey, patay day nangahatak ang akin Wait lang, oy! Sinuo ko na kung bana, di makahulat. Aso lang.
You can hear the turbo on it.
Yeah, I can hear it. Hi,
whistling
Bata!
Yeah.
Lalabas ka ngayon?
He's got a car
Finally, we
here.
can go out. Oh, you have the
I
car!
pulled out of the gas station the other morning on my way to work and got this thing sideways in second gear and rode it sideways to the red light.
Nak, naading pa
Get
niya.
out of there now.
Kadali lang, Glab. Mo anong pa ni Asher? Tingnan nyo, day, oh. Labas na tayo. Punta na tayo dito sa... Ay! Kadali lang. Hold on, Lab. Ay, galas. What happened?
The window went down, it won't go back up.
Oh! Need to fix. Dahil yung window dahil hindi siya mataas dahil. Parang hindi kami makalabas nito dahil kasi
Oy.
yung hindi siya ma-close dahil yung window. Kasi sobrang ginaw, hindi ma-close.
That's odd.
Yeah. Maybe we cannot go out anymore. That's sad. Hey. We can go out, day. Inayos ng asawa ko, day.
Well, we got other closures in here, love. This is why I need the pickle fork.
I don't... You look, Kuya, do you,
I don't know
ano?
what
You don't know what a pickle
is.
fork is, love.
I haven't seen that.
Inayos ng asawa ko, day.
I want to break it.
Sak ng asawa ko, day.
This is it's got columns.
Nasak, day, oh. Tara, day, oh. Hoy! My love! Ah, it's broken na.
Some screw over there. The rear camera had dirt on it, so when I back up, it would beep.
Na-fix na day, oh. Yung door day. Yung asawa ko kasi, di ba sa gumagawa sila ng sasakyan. So alam ng asawa ko day. Hoy, ginoo ko na kung bana mo drive. How the way you drive it faster?
Hell yeah.
Feel the back end sliding?
Yeah.
Kind of like a Tesla.
Fuji, your door's not shut all the way.
What is it?
No, I got an indication on the dash. There it goes.
It's working now. There you go. Yay! Let's go mga inday. Natapos na din. Akala namin day, hindi na kami makalabas day ba? Akala ko talaga day. Ay, mabuti na lang yung asawa ko nagtatrabaho sa sasakyan. Gumagawa siya ng sasakyan ba? Ay, ginoo ko. Ito yung buti na lang day, wala nang snow day. Okay, there's no snow anymore. Oy. Asawa ko day ba, natatakot ako day kasi pinapaandar niyang ano day ba, mabilis. Yung anak at asawa ko tumatawa lang day. Yung mukha nila day, hindi natatakot. Ako natatakot ako dito day.
Nice story.
I'm scared na.
this thing, you get another 60 horsepower out of it.
Wow.
Working these tires in third, maybe even fourth gear. That was a good boy.
You're a good boy?
Yes, a good boy.
Okay, you're a good boy.
Hi guys, we're here with Asher. What can you say about this trip, Asher? Huh?
Daddy's crazy in the car.
What can you say on the trip? Huh, dear? Yeah?
The weather is like
Yeah?
that in the front.
That's driving crazy, huh?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Like that in the front of the truck.
I know,
Like
man.
the snow. They the one moving the snow.
Good job.
Yeah.
There is a meter like that truck.
Just to make it go both ways or just one way. So yeah, that right there would push the snow both ways. But also it makes it aerodynamic when you're driving. You don't feel off the gas.
So ngayon mga Inday, nagkuha kami ng cash. Yung asawa ko day. But yung anak ko day, may cash na yan day. Yan yung mas mayaman pa sa amin day. Mas mayaman, hindi kami mayaman. Yang ang mayaman sa amin day, itong anak ko nasa likuran. Oh, nandyan. Hello po.
Isang milyonaryo. Retired.
Retired.
Retired millionaire po ako.
Retired millionaire.
Hey, I'm a millionaire.
Yay! Millionaire! That's right.
There were once a millionaire.
Yeah, that's right. Yung eyes there.
We just
Retired. Bana, Oy, we are 45 here, love. Remember? 45.
Yeah, that's right, Doc.
Natatakot ako na. Ay, ginawa ko. Oh, there's a car here, oh.
Yeah, I'm driving
Police.
slower than they are,
Yeah, that's right.
so I'm doing good.
Yeah. You done good, handsome. Ay, ginawa ko.
I just like to get the speed fast.
Yeah, that's right.
Now getting on the highway up here, we can hit 120 before we even hit the highway.
Boy.
I won't take you that fast because you guys are in the car, but yeah, I like doing that.
Mm.
Well, the car reads 160 cruise. It'll do about 170. A cop car will only do 140.
Mga Inday, nandito na kami sa highway, day. Yung asawa ko, day, paspas kay padagan, day.
Oh, it makes she nervous love her on the highway.
Yeah. And then you
Yeah, she tells us be careful.
you run so fast. Wala ni kaging na kong itlog, day. Ay, wala pala akong itlog, day. Piso. Iti, day. Boy, this is our anula. It's been a long time that we go out somewhere.
Yeah, we didn't have a car.
Yeah. Wala kaming sasakyan. So, ngayon dahil may sasakyan na dahil, so makapunta kami kahit ano lang dahil, kahit hindi yung bunggahang labas dahil, basta makalabas lang somewhere. Okay na yan. You know, I said like, if we are not doing like much, you know, going out much money, as long as we can go somewhere, you know, something like that. I'm not boring. I will not feel boring. Always inside the house. We are in the highway.
I used to do that on the motorcycle all the time too.
Our motorcycles.
Yeah. They didn't stand a chance.
Yeah, it's the easiest way to get out of Just run on traffic.
You're like a kid.
There's a cop car.
Where's the car cop?
He's on the other side of this building.
Lalele. Wow, your eyes is good, love.
On the other side, he went up the street. There you go.
Ah, yeah. Ah, they are just resting there. The cop.
Here you go, listen.
Ah, yeah.
It's got that purr to it.
Yeah.
Let's do it again on first gear.
Uy.
We didn't even have to hit the brakes.
Wow.
Look, they got a bike rack.
Ah, that is for the bike, love?
You put a bike on.
Ah, in that one at the back.
And then up tops for packing up stuff, tents, whatever else.
Mm.
They do camping.
I saw one time, love, you know, like, I think that is in Mexico. There is a man who is, you know, at the top of that one.
You notice
They're
I got all
hiding.
the sounds off in the car. You don't hear none of those sounds outside no more.
Ah,
I told you, just had to knock the rust off it.
yeah, that's right. Just get the rust.